welcome to our life in the Philippines.
Hey Shell, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Where do you get tools around here?
All right, that's what we're going to take you right now. We're going to walk around a little bit. We're actually in the back of the marina. We did a little walk around there, and we got caught yesterday and didn't complete it because we got caught by an artist actually, and we ended up spending a little time with him. So let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go here. So this is just a little bit of in the back of the marina. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So here you got the real tool thing, right? Yeah, they have. This is a 60 hertz diesel generator. All right. Let's let the car go by. Yeah. How many kW is it? Yeah, 60 hertz. That's a 220, I think. Yeah. It's all 220. And I don't know how many kilowatts, but
Looks pretty decent.
yeah. And you got all kinds of, you got all kinds of generators and weed eaters and all of that. But that looks like a decent generator. And yeah, we have several of them.
That's a tire mounting machine right there to mount tires.
This one here?
Yeah, the red one.
This here? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's right. Tire mounting. You want to start a tire business, you can come here and get that done. Buy one of these. All right. They have a lot of stuff back here, guys.
You guys like drilling, or is the drill press over there?
They have. Oh yeah,
they drill around here.
Yeah, that's one thing that amazes me here. They have these tools, but I mean, majority of the tools are probably Chinese anyway.
Oh yeah. This is like Harbor Freight
type thing, and over there you have. Let me see if I can adjust the camera up a little bit. Over there you have pressure washers and dollies and all kinds of stuff. And here you have tons of different types of tools.
Pressure washers.
Right.
Vice
scripts there. Yeah.
All sorts of.
And yeah, this was a big store right here.
Yeah. Oh look,
Office chairs.
they got chairs.
Yeah.
I need to get an office chair to replace the one I have.
Right. Well, check and see what the prices are.
Maybe.
One of these days. Okay. Yeah. So this corner was a big tool shop. And it appears that we repair parts available. Sherlin Power Tools, Makita. It appears that they're no longer here. I went by the other day.
They've been closed for a while.
Yeah. So maybe that's one of the victims of the shutdowns, I guess.
I heard the phone company is hiring.
The phone company?
Yeah. Look, the phone company needs help.
They need help to sort the wiring out. Guys, look at this, right? I'm gonna do it different. Look at the wiring. This is absolutely amazing. How anybody knows where any wire goes is beyond me.
Yes.
Look at this harness. It's unbelievable. All right, so, and then down here you have more of these tool shops. This is an area where they do all the stainless steel,
My favorite store is over there.
Yeah.
Rusty's stainless steel.
Yeah, we got to go to Rusty's.
Rusty's stainless.
Yeah.
With a name like that, they should be famous.
Right. So you have you have this all over. variety stores. You can buy. I don't know if you can walk here or where can you walk.
Yeah, you can walk right through there.
It's so tight parking. Yeah, well, we can walk in here, maybe, right? Walk down this way. Walk down through the variety store. And here you got toilets, sinks. People sell a lot of stuff here. So, hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Hi. Huh?
Hello.
Yeah. All right. So we got into several stores here are selling these things, and they have a lot of faucets, locks, all kinds of stuff here. All right. Right, and then these are decent, but I have one of these, and it's rusting.
Yes.
And it was bought, guess where?
Rusty.
Rusty.
Stainless steel.
Rusty stainless steel, yeah. So, I think down here. Right, there you go. I'm going to catch his sign, right? You have up there, I don't know if you can see it, this sign is fading. Time for them to buy a new one. But the name of the store is Rusty and Edna Variety Store. Stainless kitchen called Rusty's. Pretty interesting concept, in my view. So, all right. So now we're back here, and then you have back down in here. You have LTO Land Transportation is up on that in that building on the second floor, and then you have. Huh? Nothing at this point. We're just walking around, doing a little blog.
It's only video only, huh?
Yeah. Doing a little blog. So they have a little bit of supplies here too. What do you guys sell?
Military supply.
Military supply. Right? Creating your civil army? All right. All right.
Everything's available.
Everything is available.
Look
Yeah.
at the masks. These are good.
Yeah, let's buy one of those and go walk around with that.
Yeah.
This is what we're talking about, guys. That mask right there. So that's the real stuff. That's masks. I will filter all kinds of stuff here. So yeah, it's interesting. So let's walk down this way. And everybody sells these now. It's amazing how fast those. No, not today. We're just doing a little video vlog and walking and talking a little bit. But
Oh yeah.
I know where you are if I need it. All right. Thank you. So. All right. No, not today. Not today.
It's too dark to go into the
Well, actually, the camera is doing pretty well back in there too. But I don't think we need to go there. Let's wrap this one up here, going down this road. All right. So these are yeah, pretty good quality.
And they have another high quality tools for sale.
Yeah, ladders. Yeah, I mean, you walk around here, you'll find almost anything you want, you know. And I've been here, I needed small little things for repairs and other things, and I didn't know where to get it. I go in here, you ask one person, and they take you around and until you find it. I mean, it's interesting.
Everything you want.
Who's Kwana? Who's Kwana? Who's Kwana? Swedish, right?
Yeah.
They have motorcycles and tools.
Everything that's motorized.
Husqvarna has everything motorized, yeah. All right, so let's walk down this way. So this is kind of the end of the marina again. I don't know, why is it called the marina? Marina Arcade. You have it right up there, right? Why is it called the Marina Arcade?
Marina is also a last name.
Ah.
Or a first name. So it could be because of that.
It could be, yeah, somebody's named Marina and it was named after a person. Yeah,
Right.
could be. Because there is not a whole lot of sea and ocean around here
No.
to be called Marina Arcade.
Well, it's an ocean of people, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's for sure. It is an ocean of people. It's quite a bit of it.
Well, they have Susie's Cuisine.
Yeah, Susie's Cuisine.
It's good.
They just opened here, right?
They opened here and they opened one right next to the ABC Hotel.
Right,
Brand new. Both of them.
right. What do they serve? Filipino foods?
They're very good Kapampangan food and also lots of candies, cookies. Traditional though.
Traditional Filipino food?
Yes.
Okay.
Hispanic of origin in some
Yeah.
cases.
Yeah,
Filipino.
I'm kind of, when I go out and eat, I want to go out and eat Western food. Italian, German.
But Susie's is really good quality. Very good quality.
You have to say whatever you said. You have to do it again because that noise killed it.
I said Susie's Cuisine has very good quality food.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
There's the bank.
Huh?
Metro Bank.
Oh, yeah. That's.
Oh, I hadn't seen that building. Look at that, man. Looks like a doghouse. Has 4 stories.
The doghouse.
Yeah, that building right there.
Yeah, that's
A little wedge like that.
that's an interesting building, though.
Yeah, 4 apartments.
I never reflected on it before. You have something similar up there.
Yeah, I never saw it, but you know, it's nice actually.
Interesting way they build it, for sure.
These guys are trying to sort out the wires.
Now here comes the wire workers. We were talking about them.
They look a little confused.
Right.
They had the confused look in their faces.
Right. Yeah. It is almost like yeah. So I go here too. This is the hardware store I go to. And there you got some music instruments. You got man. Yeah, they got a lot of stuff. All right, so I guess they closed off. You can't cross here no more. You have to cross at the front. Have a great here day, MacArthur Highway. Driving school.
You have to be 21 to get a driver's license since the COVID thing.
Right. Oh yeah. You have to be 21 years of age to even be out, really, right?
Yep.
So. But commerce is back. It's almost like commerce is back the way.
The last few days has been crazy.
What do you say?
The last few days has been crazy.
Oh yeah. It's like they open up and you can see it yourself with your own eyes. The traffic is just overwhelming at times. And I say traffic is overwhelming. I mean it is, and it's for a reason. And the reason is 90% bought their driver's license. They didn't actually go to school for it. They just paid for it.
for those that actually have a driver's license, because there's a lot of people without driver's license driving.
Oh yeah. You have a lot of that too. People that they're out here, they never got a driver's license. They're just driving. They'll take their chances. All right, so here we go.
Called the herd method.
Huh?
The way they drive over here is called the herd method. Look at that one.
Right.
The new Jimmy.
Yeah.
Suzuki Jimmy with the retro look.
That's pretty cool.
Cute.
All right, so let this guy go, and then we head over here, and then we're heading up, going back home, guys. All right, yeah, it's been a nice little walk. So it beats staying in the house, that's for sure. And this is a wrap on this video for today. A little walk in the marina and show you around a little bit. Don't miss our live feeds. You're welcome. If you want to come in and be on the camera, come on in, and every time I slap a link in the chat box or in the comment below the video, so you can click on that and you can be a part of the live feed if you want to, feel like it. Makes it interesting that we have more guests, and people are interrupting you. More guests and all that makes the video much more interesting, and discuss a lot of things. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We'll see you. God bless, and bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again